A 3D animation shows a healthy heart beating, highlighting the mitral and aortic valves. Dental infection bacteria enter blood vessels, traveling with red blood cells. Green particles are pathogens. Inside, bacteria attach to heart valve tissue, forming colonies. Lighting emphasizes the infection start. Bacterial clumps and white blood cells form vegetations on the mitral valve, pulsating. Infected valve leaflets thicken and tear, showing blood leaking backward, indicated by arrows. Immune cells attack bacteria on the heart valve in biological fight scenes. Bacterial fragments and clots break off, traveling as emboli through arteries to the brain and kidneys. A split screen shows an embolus blocking a brain artery, causing a stroke, and another blocking a kidney artery. Antibiotics drip into a patient. A damaged valve is replaced with a prosthetic. The infected valve fails, the heartbeat slows, and text appears. Endocarditis, a silent killer.